Hello, Chef here. Another quick recipe for you, and I've got some fresh garlic here. Real fast, easy way to peel your garlic is just like this. You just use a hammer like Thor, and after you smash it, that annoying peel comes right off like that. So you can see how fast that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 seconds, and you got all the garlic peeled. It's so easy. Of course, you still got to chop it up, but yeah, there we go. That's all the garlic right there. Okay, another chef tip for you. Recipe coming up. Score one of these awesome mallets at the sponsor. I think it's like 10 bucks. Okay, once again I'm using the mandolin. I like the mandolin. Here we go. We got these awesome Yukon Gold potatoes. Really nice. Of course they have been washed and dried. Now it's pretty simple. You take your potato and you run it through. I've got the blades out of the way. This is just the main slicing blade here now. I'm looking for about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. So kind of like this. Yep. There we go. Sharp blades for sure. Stainless steel glove stops them. You can see my cuts. They're nice. Yeah. And they're consistent. Every one of these is exactly the same thickness. And that's what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm going to repeat. Right there. Beautiful. Next step, potatoes go in a mixing bowl and we season them. I'm going to be using a little bit of olive oil like this and tossing them so they're all coated with the olive oil. A little bit of sea salt. Just like that. And in this particular recipe, I like to use just a touch of white pepper. Just like that. Okay. Now we got a hot pan here. Going to be adding some olive oil. Coat the whole pan like this and lay your potatoes in. Okay, we let them simmer. Look at that color. Very nice. After about 2 minutes, we're going to turn these. Notice I'm using the correct tool, and that is a fish spatula or slotted spatula, because it allows me to turn these babies very easily like this. Okay? Oh, looking good. Next step, we're going to season them with a little bit of rosemary. And we're going to put some of that fresh garlic on there. Oh yeah. Just like that. Okay? And now this gets baked in the oven, 375 Fahrenheit. Ah, the finished potatoes. 10 minutes later, looking really, really good. All right then, we're just plating up these potatoes. I want to show you how nice they are. Okay, whoa, really, really beautiful. So, garnish is going to be real simple for these babies, and normally I would just serve about 1 potato or 2 potatoes worth for a serving. So right there, if you're doing fancier French cuisine, you may want to add a touch of truffle oil like this. Just a couple drops. It's the flavor you're looking for. Okay. And real quick garnish, I've got just a couple of paper thin sliced tomatoes and a little something green there. You're going to want to maybe serve like creme fraiche or sour cream, and in this case I'm going to put it right with my garnish like this. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Most of all, keep cooking. This is the heavy duty Braun 40 blade cut proof glove. Carrots. Oh, beautiful carrots. So we're going to be doing the julienne cut. I've got the setting below with the fine blades. Alright, that's the video. Get cooking. They're having some sales on there and some good deals. You can't go wrong. This block here is over 10 years old. Yeah, very, very sharp. Okay, it's not even puncturing my thumb here. Okay, really, really nice. So if you're looking for the good stuff, right there, your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a great day.